We'll guide you through how to download and install Adobe Acrobat on your PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Adobe Acrobat is super useful for opening up and viewing PDFs, so let's go and get it. To go and do this, you need to go and open up a web browser, so I'll go and use Google Chrome. Come to a search engine like Google or whatever you want. Then all you need to do is go and type in Adobe Acrobat Reader, like so, or just Adobe Acrobat. And you can scroll down and just make sure you go to the official Adobe site, which is this here, adobe.com. It'll go and take a moment to load, and this will go and take you to the page where you can go and download it from. As you can see, there are multiple download buttons we can click. You can choose if you want to go and get McAfee Security Scan Plus. I don't want to though, I'll just click on Download Acrobat Reader. Then all we need to do is come out of our web browser and open up your file explorer. Come over to the left and click on downloads, and you can then find the application installer here. All you need to do is double click on it. You'll go and get a security pop-up and it will then go and appear. As you can see, it now says downloading, so wait for the file to go and download. Once it's finished, it will go and say installation complete. You can go and select or unselect launch Adobe Acrobat Reader and press finish. For me, it's going to go and launch, as you can see. To open up a PDF with it, right click on a PDF, hover over open with, click on choose another app, you can select it and click on always, and it will then open up.